Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm sharing with you guys the best chicken asada grilled in pan, perfectly done, homemade, so you can cook it just like me at home. Stick around to find out the whole recipe. We will take chicken breast and we will take 4 big pieces. We are making this chicken asada with the whole chicken breast. So we'll take a chicken breast, place one right there. I will take 4 of them and this will be the 4th one. Wow, this is a huge guy. We'll put 4 of them right there. The next step, so we will take a lemon. We will use half lemon and we will squeeze right in there. So this is a hand squeeze. I mean, if you get the seeds in there, it's fine. We're not cooking the seeds with the chicken. So alright, we will take brown sugar, and these are 2 whole spoons of brown sugar. We will add the brown sugar right there. Wow, I mean in the bowl, not out of the bowl. We will take regular soy and we will add at least 5 tablespoons of soy in there. The next step, use coriander, chopped coriander or parsley. I'm using chopped parsley, so we will add the parsley right in there. Take the red chili flakes, add those. Add the black pepper, half tablespoon. Half tablespoon was the chili flakes and half tablespoon is the black pepper. Add those. So here add a whole spoon of minced garlic right in there. At least half tablespoon of salt. The soy has already salt, so we will use half spoon of table salt. A half teaspoon of vinegar, white vinegar. 5 tablespoons of oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use corn oil, okay, and a whole teaspoon of cumin powder. So you will put the cumin powder right in there. Take the 2 jalapenos, slice it from the middle. Actually, we will add these once we will mix the chicken. Alright, so time for mixing. So this is the time for mixing. With these ingredients, it will be a best chicken asada at home. So if you guys are on diet or if you guys are looking your body weight, try this recipe. It's a chicken breast white meat recipe, and putting all these ingredients and cooking the way I'm gonna show you guys, it's gonna keep the chicken breast meat soft and tender. So try to help the chicken so it can take all the seasoning, all the flavor in. Okay, we will take our sliced jalapenos and we will dip in the sauce as well. Okay, the mixing is done, everything is ready. Leave this guy for 1 hour or 4 hours, or you can leave it for overnight as well. The minimum suggestion is leave it for 1 hour. So we will leave this chicken for 1 hour in the fridge to be marinated. Alright, so our pan is ready. As you guys can see, I have put this grill right on top. I have given the chicken breast another bath of the sauce, and we will put face up in the pan. Here goes the next one. We'll put our jalapeno right next to it. So here, friends, make the flame or your heat on a medium and put the lid on top and leave the heat and the lid on top. Does it work at least for 3 minutes. Alright, so it's been 3 minutes. Let's check inside. Yeah, it looks good. So from now onwards, guys, we will put the flame on a medium high, and this will be our first flip. So this is our first flip. Wow, the freshness, the aroma. Yum. Clip your jalapeno. And cover it with the lid and leave it for next 3 minutes. Alright, so it's been 3 minutes of flipping the side. So this is so far our chicken asada is looking. It will flip the sides. Like that. And from here onwards, guys, we will cook it again with a lid on top for the next 3 minutes. Putting the lid on the top in the pan, it makes it a steamy oven, and it has the grill bottom which gives the smoke and the char at the same time. Okay, so it's time to flip the sides again, and this will be the final flips, guys. Hold it gently and flip it. Guys, this flip will be for 4 minutes. So we will leave the chicken just like this for 4 minutes on a medium high flame. So friends, this is the last 4 minutes and our chicken will be perfectly ready. I'm 100% sure. So we will take it out right on the side. Let me show you guys the char. Here is the beautiful juicy char. So we put it right here. The big guy. Here is the big guy. And we put this guy just right here. We will take our jalapenos, put it right next to it. Okay, so the moment of truth. Beautiful, juicy, smoked chicken asada is ready, guys. And the juices are all the way in just by cooking it with the lid on top. We'll take this guy. Completely done, guys. The aroma is right there to greet me, and that's the best part. We'll take our jalapeno, make slices of jalapeno, and here you go, guys. The beautiful juicy, you can see the juices, they are still coming out of the chicken asada. Put a piece of lemon with that and serve this beautiful chicken asada to your friends and family. This is so superly tender and done. Wow. Oh wow. With the lemon and the pepper. A perfect bite. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Do try this easy, simple chicken asada, the best recipe you can find. And I will see you guys on the next video. Subscribe the channel and like the video, and bye for now.